everyone, my name is Hansini and these are our group members. Today we are going to say about vegetative propagation. Now my friend Madhurata will continue.
Vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction both are same. So it is growth or development of a plant by including the vegetative parts of the plant structures like roots, stems, leaves and etc. So these have advantages and also have disadvantages. So one of the advantages of this vegetative propagation is the traits of the parental plant can be repeatedly grown. And the main disadvantage is if the parent plant, it has any viruses or diseases or anything, it will be also transmitted to the individual one which is grown by the plants. So these vegetative propagation are divided into two types, which is natural and as well as artificial. So natural methods includes roots, leaves and stem, and artificial methods includes grafting, cutting, layering. So let us learn about these methods with our friends.
Vegetative propagation in natural divides into three types: roots, stem and leaf. Roots we can see, as example we can see potato. In the potato we have roots. These roots if we keep in soil, we will get potato plant. And stem we can see for plants, for stem it will get some plants. And leaves, this is called bryophyllum. On leaf you will get another leaves.
Artificial methods of vegetative propagation. In the vegetative propagation, there are four artificial methods. They are budding, cutting, layering and grafting. In the budding, it is a budding. It is in which exact replica of the mother cell, there the daughter cell will be produced. Example of budding is cherry plant and nut trees. And another method is cutting. Cutting is an example of vegetative propagation in which the stem of vegetative part of the stem can be cutted and buried into the soil, and it had nodes and auxiliary buds. See that the stem of the one plant can be cutted and buried to the another plant. And then the stem was cut. And the example of the cutting is raspberry and the jasmine plant. Then the third one of artificial vegetative propagation is grafting. It is a process in which one part of the stem can be cutted and keep it into the other stem. That the process is called scion, and the stems was wrapped with the plastic paper. Examples of the grafting. Another method of vegetative propagation is layering. In this process, the roots of the one part of the plant can be produced from it at least or partially touch to the ground, and again it will plant at the side of the plant. And this layering process can be done in the summer and early spring. It do not need any special tools or special environmental conditions like mid-spring. Then the examples of layering is rose.
In tissue culture, new plants are grown and by removing the tissue or separating the cells from the growing tip of a plant. The cells that are placed in an artificial medium where they decide rapidly to form a small group of cells. Thus, the callus is transformed into another medium containing the hormones for growth and differentiation. The plants and are placed into the soil so that they can grow into the mature plants. Using the tissue culture, many plants can be grown from one parent in disease for the free conditions.
This way we can plant or produce any hybrid varieties, or we can get any new varieties of the plants.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity.